Welcome back to Tri-Tool Technologies. We're doing a finish up on our 204B. Went ahead and we finished our Inconel 625 heavy wall. We're gonna go over here and go ahead and do that 2-inch Schedule 40 carbon steel. I've went ahead and changed my ramp set to the size range to fit this ID. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put that 37.5 degree bevel on this piece of 2-inch carbon steel Schedule 40 pipe. Thing to mention is the PSI, the machine will perform best at 90 PSI and 90 CFM. There's our completed bevel on a carbon steel Schedule 40 2-inch pipe.